Hey guys, good to see you this evening. I wanted to go ahead and introduce the next project that y'all are going to be having to do, which is Ghosts of Chemistry Pass. Any of you guys that can remember a couple of weeks ago, I kind of told you that this was one of the projects that we are going to do, but anyway, I'm going to assign it now. So just real quickly, I'll give you some information, and then I'll also run through Screencastify if any of you guys have not used it yet. But basically, you can see the attachment, and what I'm going to ask you guys to do is you are going to choose, if you go down here to the last page, one of these famous chemists. And you can choose anybody from this list. It's up to you. I'll let you guys choose who you'd like. All of these chemists are now deceased and passed away. So what you're going to do is you are going to create a Google slideshow. And with that Google slideshow, what I'm going to ask you guys to do is I'm going to ask you to create an obituary and a tombstone. So basically, the information in that obituary is going to include, number one, a picture, full name of the scientist, when and where they were born, when and where they died, what they died from, and how they died, important information about their life that's including things like if they were married, do they have any children, other interesting information, major contributions to chemistry, why they are famous. So if you guys aren't familiar with what an obituary is something you'd see in the newspaper after somebody passes away and basically has this kind of information. Also, in this Google slideshow, you're also going to create a tombstone. Now, this tombstone, you can do a couple things if you want. Some of you guys that are a little more tech savvy, if you want to do this on paper and take a picture, insert the picture, whatever. If you want to just create it in the slideshow, make it work. However, you can be creative here, but it needs to look neat and clean. And it needs, that tombstone again is going to look like a tombstone that you would see, probably a fancy tombstone that has the name of dates and births, or excuse me, the name of the date, their name, date of birth, when they died, a short epitaph. And I did say what an epitaph was because that might be unfamiliar verbiage for you guys, but basically that's that little inscription about the person that you see on a tombstone. And then decorations, and these decorations are going to be things related to that person and their major contributions to chemistry. Okay. Now, once you get this all done, you need to make a Screencastify, just like I'm doing right now, but only you are going to be presenting your tombstone and your obituary. So if you're unfamiliar with using Screencastify, what you do is all of you, if you guys go up here, you'll see there is, and you guys all have this little icon right here that looks like an arrow. Okay, you're going to simply click on that, and it's going to ask you to start recording a video. So basically, you're going to start recording the video. Make sure you include the desktop so I can see what's there. Once you're done, you'll save it. It'll go right to your Google Drive. It takes a couple minutes to upload that to Google Drive, but once you get that done, then you'll go ahead and just submit that and turn that into Google Classroom. So I look forward to seeing your completed assignment by this Friday, the last Friday before spring break. All right, guys, we will talk to you again soon. Bye.